How you doing, guys? It's Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with another paintless dent repair video. Today we have a 2015 Ford Mustang. Let's take a look.
How you doing, my YouTube family? Thanks again for coming back for another paintless dent repair video. This time around we have a 2015 Ford Mustang, crease in the left quarter panel, roughly about 25 inches long. So in every video I like to give the history of how the dent came about, but this time around the customer doesn't know. He came outside after working a shift and this is what he saw. So if you actually work in the industry, you know that creases require a lot more work. I spent roughly 6.5 hours repairing this damage. And in this shot, you can see there's actually two creases that run parallel with each other. So roughly the repair is around 30 to 35 inches. So let's go over some of the tools used. First up is an Ultra Dent Tools SHT5. It's actually a 48-inch shave twister. Great tool. From the same company, we have ST1207. It's a 42-inch double bend adjustable tip tool. This time around, I partnered it with the Everyday Tip from Dent Dowel. Also use the Dent Dowel Slapper Tapper. Of course, the heat gun, which I use in every repair. And I love the cactus green glue in this type of climate. And that was mated with the Black Plague crease tab and also their gangrene tabs. I really enjoy using this Pro PDR 46-inch chubby HD light. It was a little overkill for something like this, but it's the only version I do have. But I would have opted for the 36 on this type of repair.